We will see if they are open or not. Boss arrived, by the way. Very nice, boss. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yo, what's up? So today we are in Ubud and my Sayank is with me. We just changed the position. And Winnie putting cola for me. This is very good wife, you know what I mean?
Alright, so because Damian just finished editing a video today.
5 hours of uploading, imagine that, guys. But that's for you, from me, from us, for you.
Yeah, so because nowadays Bali is hot, sunny weather, we
So
decided
hot.
to have a lunch in Ubud before we are going shopping today. Ooh, like shopping.
We need like shopping, but honestly, we need some furniture to our new place in Sanur. So today's vlog will be about shopping furniture and stuff like this. Many people asked about that also in the past few weeks ago. So this is for you. So we are in Ubud somewhere actually right now.
So we already finished our lunch and then we decided to go to Jalan Andong Ubud. So
That's on the way to Tegalalang, but close to the Ubud, close to the Pepito market in Ubud when you're going to Tegalalang.
yeah,
right?
so Jalan Andong is famous for the furniture shop. If you want to buy any kind of furniture for your house, so this is the right place.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see how it is inside.
If you just have 2 seconds, please to subscribe to our channels The Monkeys by simply pressing the button of subscribe over here and notification bell into all. Thank you so much.
Alright, so this is the Ratan shop. Let's see how it is inside and what they sell.
Yeah, so this is the Ratan. As you can see, so many beautiful places. So they have a box, they have things like this.
Meja kecil yang kayak bedside table gitu loh. Kecil yang suka kayak gini. Ini berapaan sih? Alright, so this one I found a small rattan table.
Yes.
Nice, super cool. And then on the top, ini apa sih, tempat apa nih? Macam-macam. So then the seller is confused. What is it?
It's okay. This is actually nice.
Ya. Mejanya 350. Apa mejanya? Hah? 350? Oh, dapat kurang. Majikanlah dikit.
350k for
The
this.
table 350. Ini bahannya apa sih? Ini bahannya apa
But the
sih?
table is very nice, actually, have to say.
So this table 350 and look at this one. Yang ini berapaan? Ini tempat apa ya? Aksesoris ya? Accessories box.
Unfortunately, the boys, they don't really know the prices.
Okay, so I think that I need to buy this one of these
For
for
the-
dirty clothes.
Yeah, for the laundry, it's actually very nice things.
Yeah, for the laundry.
But you are not allowed to buying any kind of bags, okay, honey?
Okay, no more bags because I have quite lots of collection for kind of bags.
Especially this, the circle one,
This also
very nice rug.
very nice.
Very nice rug, I have to say. Many nice stuff here. That is
Made
the
of rattan.
Ratan and the muscles like this, small things. Very nice, very nice. Very nice place for someone who will be interested about shopping. Stuff like this. Oh, very nice. Very nice indeed.
What is it?
The Ratan cactus. So funny.
Very nice.
And decorations also like, I don't know, many kind of decorations. But we are interested about the table. Very funny thing about these shops is always they have the workers here, but they have no prices like on the items, and they usually, if you're interested, they call their boss, owner of the shop, and asking by the WhatsApp call what the price is. So that's the very common thing in this area, in the shops. In this shop and any other shops, because I used to looking already many times before. I used to be a vlogger and it's always the same thing. Very funny. And just next door there is another shop, but now more with the lampu, which is lamps.
Oh, so
And
they
stuff.
have a specialized in lamp and mirror.
Oh, Okay, let's have a look.
Carpet.
Also nice stuff over here. Have to be careful because everything is very low. Nice
Kalau
carpets
karpet
actually.
yang ini berapaan? Okay, so I was there in the Ratan shop and another Ratan shop. I found one small Ratan table. It's around 300k.
325.
20k, yeah, something like that. So now we will see the wood table. So how much is it? Let's go.
Let's go. And the wood table is just over there, so just small we walk, not so bad. Okay, so over here is already the area of the shop with the proper wood furniture. Not like a rattan, but the wood, very solid. And we will see how is it, if it's open actually, because I'm not sure. I think it's closed. I think it's closed. But maybe this one. This is actually very nice furniture over here. We will see if they are open or not. Because unfortunately, like I said already once, many things here are closed. Open?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's go inside. Oh yeah, very small entrance here. But it's open, very nice furniture as you can see. No, it's closed, honey. But the furniture here nice. Unfortunately, all closed.
It's closed.
So we're in the another shop.
Mau tanya kalau yang ini berapaan? Yang
Also nice. The kids playing.
kita balik lagi ya.
So cool. Okay. Thank you. Oh, unfortunately, most of the shops here are still closed, as you see. So I don't know. We have to go more north into Tegalalang area, and we will see if we're gonna have a little bit more luck to find something.
Yeah, so I was thinking that the Ratan table is still okay, but it's not like very strong enough. Okay, so we found one furniture shop after we go around because most of the shops are closed. So
Let's see how it looks here. What is inside? They have a wood furniture here. Simple one, but wood. We will see. Always good to see something. We will see what is inside.
Control. Bedside.
bedside yang
That's
kecil.
actually nice.
Ampun mau plastik nih Ki, Hendra
Ya,
ekspor.
ekspor gitu.
Oh!
This is ready to be export. Ekspor kemana nih Ki Pak?
Jerman.
Ke Jerman. So they will
Alright.
send it to Germany.
So this is your furniture coming next few months. So cool.
Tapi pemberangkatannya tetap dari kargo.
Oh, they send it by cargo.
Nice.
Ano sa nih ke Pak?
Decorations, accessories, wooden pineapples if you're interested. Many things, you know. If I would really like to, I could make a 2 hours vlog about that. And this is the mirror.
And then
With
they
the wooden frame.
They said that they will export it to other countries like Germany, Europe. So it's still possible, you know, with the cargo nowadays.
Yes, but unfortunately, if you are looking inside in Bali, many shops are just simply
Yeah.
closed.
Because mostly like, you know, they are working together with the cargo. So
Yeah,
shipping company, something like that. And there are a lot of shipping company in Bali.
yeah. Oh, very nice Buddha.
Okay, because Damian didn't find what he wants, let's move to another shop.
Let's go to the another place, which is actually walking distance of 10 meters. There is another shop. And they have many stuff over here.
Hello.
Also, as you can see, a very cool lamp, by the way. Interesting basket for Easter in Poland. So many things around. The styles of the furniture. Actually, it was 2 shops on the road on the way here like this, but all of them was closed, unfortunately. Yeah, but very big, lah. How much?
This one 800k,
Uh-huh.
and this one is 600k.
Okay. Okay, let's time to go to another place.
Okay, so we moved to a different place. As you see, Jalan Andong Ubud is, full of furnitures on the left and on the right side. Many actually. And then many business also closed due to current situation.
Also, here is the lamp shop, but it's closed. And we come back to the shop. Let's see. We're thinking about this table. It is solid. It's not gonna be broken tomorrow, no? So we try to find a laundry basket like this one, plus this table for 400, but they want 500. So we will see if we can make any deal today here. Winnie is laughing already, so maybe not.
They stress. Oh
This
my
dress.
god.
Ask your boss.
He's shopping like, oh my god.
Yeah, take monkeys to the shop, so we'll be like this. Alright, so I think this one Seratus, boss, plus table 300, and we'll be 400. All deal, yeah? Try saja lah, boss. Huh?
Boleh bos?
Bisa. This one and this one all together. 400 boss. So bad. We are trying to find something, but everything what they said is 108, which is 180. Everything here is for 180k, No matter this one, the beautiful or less, 180. 108 ya. After so many negotiations, the boss gonna come here and negotiate with us, so much better. Boss arrived, by the way, very nice boss. We will see. Negotiations in the progress. Two ladies sitting and talking seriously about the prices. We will see if we can make it something together today.
Nah, yang ukuran segini lah.
So, how is the negotiations? I'm waiting for negotiations. By the way, I got a very nice earrings.
So this is how Miss Monkey shopping.
400, no, it's okay.
Okay, so what do you think? This one and this one both 400k.
Yeah, okay. So eventually we make a deal for the table with the boss.
So 400k.
400. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So now we will put our shopping inside the car. So we have to put all in the car. So Damian, fold the chair at the back.
This is what I'm saying.
All right. So everybody happy with the price and everything. Thank you guys. You are the best.
Alright.
So this is how we shopping in Ubud from one place to another place, and then we finally
After many negotiations.
got it. So yeah, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thank you that you already watching our video, and then as usual, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See ya.
Bye.
Take care.